Hi friends, today I am with a new mobile and in this video we are going to talk about the Nokia 5.3 gaming review and we will check that in detail by playing the PUBG and COD. Talking about the benchmark score, here is the Geek benchmark score for single core and the multi-core. I will also meanwhile tell you the specs of the device. The display comes with the 6.55-inch HD plus display, 450 nits. It comes with the octa-core Snapdragon processor, which is a Snapdragon 665. Here you can see also the 3D benchmark score. And if we talk about the RAM and memory, this is a 4GB variant, 64GB internal storage, expandable up to 512GB. It comes with the GPU Adreno 610. It is running on Android 10. Nokia is also commenting that this device will get the 2 years of software update. It comes with the 4000 mAh battery, where we are also getting a 10-watt charging adapter in the box. It will be coming in 3 colors: cyan color, sand color, and also the charcoal. This is the charcoal black color. Before we start playing the game, here you can see the battery percentage is around 92%. And if we talk about the weight, it weighs around 180 grams. If we talk about the temperature before starting the game, it is coming around 33 degrees Celsius in the top front. In the middle we are getting around 32.5 and in the bottom we are getting around 35 degrees Celsius. If we go to the back side, the temperature changes. There is 33.5 in the top, in the middle part 33 degrees Celsius, and in the bottom part it is around 33 degrees Celsius. This is what we are getting in the temperature slot. If we talk about the other things, let's start playing the PUBG game first. So going to the PUBG, I will show you one thing. First, the graphics support. The graphics support of the device, if we put smooth graphics, it will go maximum frame rate up to high, and if we go to the balanced graphics, it will support up to medium frame rate. So this is what we are getting in the graphics supports. Now let's check the gameplay of the device.
Team match, let's go. Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is unstoppable! Cover me! Great! You're about to win! The red team doesn't have a lot of time left. Reloading! Killing spree for the blue team! Blue team victory!
So we have played the PUBG game for a few minutes and now I'm switching to Call of Duty. First I will go and show you the graphic support and the frame rate. So I'm pushing it to the maximum graphic quality. So the graphic quality maximum is very high and the frame rate also is very high. And now I will start playing the game and you can enjoy the Call of Duty TDM match.
Changing mag. Get shot! Hurt! Changing mag. He's back out shot! Deployed.
So I played the match of both PUBG and COD, and we played around nearly 22 minutes, and I will show you what is the battery drop in the device and also show you what is the temperature rise for the device after playing the game. So here we are done with the playing. Now I will show you the battery first. Now let's pull up the battery stats. I'm not sure you can see the battery status or not. Let's go inside to the settings and show you. Currently it is showing 85%. Let me go to the settings and also show you battery inside that, so that you guys have a proper look that what is the exact battery percentage here. When we started playing the game, it was around 92%, and currently you can see it is 85%. So there is around 7% of drop. I think a little bit fast battery has been dropped, but it is still acceptable. And if we talk about the temperature, it is 42 degrees Celsius on the top, 40 degree in the middle, and 43 degree in the bottom. And if you go to the back side also, here the temperature is coming around 43 degree on the top, in the middle it is coming around 41, and in the bottom it is coming around nearly 40 degrees Celsius. So this is all about the Nokia 5.3 gaming review. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.